Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Amazon Photos. This is a useful skill for managing your cloud storage and keeping only the images you actually want to keep. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to amazon.com/photos. Once the page loads, sign in with your Amazon account. This will take you directly to your Amazon Photos homepage where all your uploaded images are stored. After signing in, look to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll see several navigation options for organizing and viewing your content. Click on Photos. This will display all the individual photos you've uploaded to Amazon Photos in a grid layout, making it easy to browse through your collection. Now navigate to the photo you want to delete. When you hover over or tap on the image, you'll notice a small circle appears beside it. Check this circle to select the photo. If you have multiple photos you want to remove, you can select as many as you need at once by checking the circles beside each one. This batch selection feature saves you time if you're cleaning up your library. Once you've selected all the photos you want to delete, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see several options for managing your selected images. Click on Move to Trash. This is the action that will remove your photos from your main library and send them to the trash folder where they'll be temporarily stored. After clicking Move to Trash, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Amazon's way of making sure you really want to delete these photos, as it helps prevent accidental deletions. In this pop-up, click Delete to confirm your decision, and that's it. Your selected photos have now been moved to the trash. Keep in mind that photos in the trash aren't permanently deleted right away. They'll stay there for a certain period before being completely removed from your account, giving you a chance to recover them if you change your mind. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.